Can a ketogenic diet cause hair loss? So hair goes through 3 stages of growth: active, resting, and shredding. During dietary changes, specifically calorie reduction, hair stays longer in the resting stage. Then once the body has recovered its balance, hair will move rapidly into shedding before actively growing. For a few people, this distortion of the cycle can make it seem like lots of hair is lost at once, when in reality, it is the same amount of hair as you would normally lose, but in a shorter period of time. Maybe a week's hair loss, say 100 hairs per day, is experienced all at once in one day. Another possible cause of hair loss or lack of active hair growth is not eating enough protein. So aim to eat 0.6 to 1 grams of protein for every kilogram of lean body mass. Finally, it could also be caused by an autoimmune disease, especially hypothyroidism, which requires support from a healthcare professional. Consuming more minerals and vitamins such as zinc, biotin, vitamin B12, iron, magnesium, and vitamin E can also help you get stronger and healthier hair. Reducing toxins found in most commercially available shampoos and conditioners will also protect your hair and scalp. Choose natural and organic products made from plant-based ingredients to minimize chemical exposure.